Here I have Samsung Galaxy J7 2017 and let me show you how to test this device. So how to open the hardware test mode and how to make sure that your device is original and perform correctly. Let's unlock the screen at first. Let's choose the phone icon. Let's activate the keypad and let's open the Samsung hardware test mode. So let's use *# 7353 #. As you can see, the test mode just pops up. Here you can test melody, vibration, camera, diming. Previously it was of course speaker, diming, camera. You can make sure that camera is performing well. You may also test other stuff such as the front camera, Bluetooth, dot mode, accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, light sensor. Let's go back to quit this test mode. You may also use other testing menu, other hardware test. Let's use the *# 0 *#. And this is the following testing menu. Here you can also test the screen, for example, all colors, red, green, blue. You may test the receiver and vibration, diming. Let's go back. You may also test the sleep, speaker, front camera, sub key and low frequency. Let's go back by using your back arrow to close this hardware test mode, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.